Hello everyone, my name is Steven. I'm a teacher in the Harapan School dan Mogot, Jakarta, Indonesia. Today I'm going to share with you what I've learned from Learning Mindsets and Skill course. These are the final project for this course and it covers three aspects. The first one is the key learnings and the second one is the change and the third one is the next step I'm taking after learning this course. Okay, let's get to the first aspect of this final project, which is the key learnings from this course. I learned a lot of things from this course, but the things that I've learned the most in this course is that how to create an environment that support four characteristics of learning mindset. Many people and teachers or parents and students want to seek, okay, I want to be a lifelong learner. What kind of characteristics I could show so that I can be that one? And this course really helped me a lot to measure the indicators of how students can be identified as a lifelong learner. The first one is the growth mindset. As a lifelong learner, students need to feel secure to grow in my class. And this kind of mindset means that students always never stop to try and learn something new, and also they also have the skills to have relearn something and even unlearn something. The second characteristic is I can succeed mindset. This kind of characteristic helps students to believe they can do great things in my course. They can achieve the best of the best in my class. They believe on themselves they can achieve their best. So this is very important for teachers to learn to give an assignment that students can achieve, and we need to be have a realistic expectation so students can achieve from what they have learned in this course, my course. The third one is belonging to the community. It's very important for students to have sense of family in my classrooms because they need to feel secure to ask questions. They need to feel comfort when they give some response because they believe in each others, and that community that I want to create after learning this course. The fourth characteristic is that the work has a value. Whatever your assignment, make sure you give relevant reasons and arguments how their work can be much more meaningful than just a score. It's very tempting to say to the students that I need you to submit this assignment for just a score, but we have to instill the growth mindset and learning lifelong learning skill mindset by explaining to them that this kind of assignment will help them to value their life, to value others, to value knowledge, so they can achieve the best from what they have learned. The second aspect that I've learned from this course is that the change itself that I made in my school. After learning this course, I have committed to give an authentic praise. An authentic means it's original and it's very true. And before I learn this course, I tend to give students like very simple praise. Good job. Keep doing that. Good work. And yeah, you are good. Which is in this authentic praise should be modified significantly by giving additional comments and feedback, so students doesn't just get merely praise, but they could also learn something from the my praise that I've given to them. Giving authentic praise means you explain what kind of the things that you what are sort things that you praise on. Is that the word? Is that the result? Is that the perseverance that students showed during my course? It need to be specific. The second one is effort based assessment. From this course, I learned that I don't want to just praise students. Okay, you're good. You're excellent. Instead of praising themselves as a person, I think I would really want to give it more specific praise and by saying, okay, your perseverance and consistency on doing my course. So the effort based assessment is very crucial. When you give comment something, you don't score themselves as a person, but you score the effort. You score what they've learned. You score um, their hard work in very specific way. The last thing that I made is that I want to challenge my students to reflect, always reflect from the things that they have learned in my course. I think it's very crucial for students to always reflect and relearn from that what they have learned in my course. This is the next step I would like to take in my course. I would like to share what I have learned by using social media and blog. I have a blog there www.edutechpost.wordpress.com. You can access that. I committed to write a blog about this later. And also, if you see the pictures, I have a community of educators who also learn something. We are a very small group, but we are very committed to learn something new. So I think I really excited to share what I've learned from this code through many strategies that I believe would be effective for my people around me to learn something new, and hopefully they could also grow their own growth mindset in the future. I think that's all from what I've learned from this code. I hope my reflection will be inspiring for many people who watch my video. Thank you.